If you don't believe something about yourself, then it's only you who carries the blame. I know that sounds harsh, but I say it out of love for you, for this community, so that you can live your most fulfilled and extraordinary life. Ralph Waldo Emerson, one of the most profound thinkers of our time, once said, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us." The power that shapes your life doesn't come from your circumstances or your past, it comes from your belief. One belief, just one, can transform everything. Your relationships, your career, your health, your happiness, they all rise and fall on the foundation of what you choose to believe about yourself. Today, we're going to uncover the immense power of belief and why it's the key to unlocking your limitless potential. Belief is like a pair of glasses. It colors everything you see, everything you interpret, everything you feel. If your belief is small, your world will appear limited and confining. But if your belief is expansive, the possibilities are endless. And here's the truth. Most of us are living with beliefs we didn't choose. A single moment, a harsh word, a failure, a rejection can plant a seed of doubt in your mind. And before you know it, that doubt grows roots and becomes a belief. I'm not smart enough. I'll never succeed. I don't deserve love. But let me tell you something. These beliefs are not facts. They are stories. Stories you've been telling yourself for so long that they've started to feel like truth. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Your belief is the foundation for every action you take. If you believe you're capable, you'll move forward with courage. If you believe you're destined to fail, you'll hesitate or never even try. The question is, what story are you choosing to believe? Here's where the magic happens. You can rewrite that story anytime. A belief isn't carved in stone, it's a choice you make, moment by moment. If you've been telling yourself, "I'm not enough," stop. Replace it with, "I am growing, I am learning, I am more than enough." Neville Goddard, a visionary in the art of manifestation, said, "You are already that which you want to be." What does that mean? It means the life you desire isn't something outside of you, it's already within you, waiting for you to claim it. The only thing standing in your way is the belief that you're not ready or deserving. Let me tell you, you are. Right now. Not tomorrow, not next year. Right now. If you want to change your belief, start with gratitude. Why? Because gratitude is a direct line to abundance. It's impossible to dwell in lack when you're focused on what you already have. Every morning, take a moment to name 3 things you're grateful for. Not just surface-level things. Really feel them. The smile of someone you love, the strength in your body, the chance to try again today. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a leader in neuroscience and spirituality, teaches that gratitude rewires the brain. He explains, gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. When you focus on what's good, your mind begins to attract more of it. You stop seeing obstacles and start noticing opportunities. You shift from fear to possibility. Let me ask you, what would your life look like if you woke up every day believing in abundance, believing in possibility? That's not just a nice thought, it's a decision you can make right now. Here's a spiritual truth. Life doesn't happen to you, it responds to you. If you believe you're stuck, you'll see obstacles everywhere. If you believe you're free, you'll find doors opening where there were only walls. Your belief is the vibration you send out to the universe, and the universe mirrors it back to you. But let me be clear, this isn't about wishing. It's about aligning. When you believe in your own power, you align your thoughts, your actions, and your energy with your highest self. And when that alignment happens, life begins to flow. You'll notice synchronicities, moments of divine timing, opportunities that feel almost too perfect to be real. That's not luck, that's belief in action. Let's try something together. Think of an area in your life where you feel stuck. Maybe it's a relationship, a career goal, or your own self-image. Now write down the belief that's holding you back. It might be something like, "I'm not lovable, I'm not talented enough, or I don't have what it takes." Be honest. Now take that belief and rewrite it. Turn "I'm not lovable" into "I am worthy of love." Turn "I'm not talented enough" into "I am constantly growing and improving." Turn "I don't have what it takes" into "Everything I need is already within me." Say this new belief out loud. Write it down. Repeat it every day until it becomes your truth. Because here's the thing, your brain believes what you tell it most often. Make sure you're telling it the right story. Let me leave you with this thought. Belief is the foundation of everything. It shapes your thoughts, your actions, and your destiny. So ask yourself, what do I believe about myself? What do I believe about my life? And if that belief isn't serving you, let it go. Replace it with one that lifts you higher. Your belief is your power, your freedom, your guide. Choose to believe in yourself, fully, unapologetically, and without hesitation. Because when you change your belief, you change your world. One belief, just one, can transform everything.